chopping garlic now.
Yep. Yeah, smash them up a little bit so that the thing is released. You're gonna need 2 cloves of garlic for this because this is a recipe for tomato haters like me.
Tomato what?
Tomato haters, people that don't like the taste or smell or anything of tomato. This is. If you like the smell of salsa, this is the recipe. You get a lot of garlic, like a lot of garlic.
I think tomatoes are actually pretty good.
Yeah, I know you're sick, but I'm gonna toss it in there. You see how it's too small.
Hey, we all like foods and all hate foods. We all have different taste buds.
Yes, we do. Some of us are sick fucks that like tomatoes, but it's not good. Like tomatoes and things. That was weird. I like cutting the ends off because, like I said, I don't like them. Nice. Back off. What's up, man?
Nothing much. Cutting up the onions still.
Well, this is garlic. This recipe doesn't call for onions, even though I love onions. We're not using them in it. We're just using the green onions and cilantro. It's a very basic recipe for, like I said, tomato haters.
Oh, but you're cutting up garlic now. We have garlic in here.
Yes, a clove of garlic per potato to drown the taste of tomato. Yeah. Whoa. Recipe calls for 2 cloves, so fuck it, we're using 2 cloves.
Okay, can save the rest of that garlic for later.
Yep, and Storm's coming over too to hang out.
Oh, cool. When?
Oh, he said he's heading over now.
Oh, cool.
I might make some maple fucking bacon later too. I don't know. I'm thinking about it.
Oh, cool.
Shit. Bottom of the fucking garlic one. That's how you gotta crush garlic to release the